Running chapter is subtraction. In our previous class, we have finished three problems A, B, C from page number 47. We have finished A, B, C problems from page number 47. Today we are going to solve D, E, F from page number 47. Do this. Now question D. Page number 47. Do this question D. 419 minus 28. 419 minus 28. Here 419 is greater than 28. Then subtraction is exist. Now write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. On subtracting ones, the digits are in ones place 9 and 8. 9 minus 8. It means 8 subtract 9. Here 8 is smaller than 9. Then subtraction is exist. 9 means draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9, we have to subtract 8. It means we cut 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After cutting 8 lines from 9 lines, there are only 1 line. 1. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. These sounds are right under ones. Next, subtracting on tens. Subtracting on tens. The digits are under tens 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. Here 2 is bigger than 1. We cannot take 2 from 1. In this time we use borrow. Borrow means take 110 from beside number. Borrow means 110. 110 is equal 10 1. Now cut 4, it is 3. Now subtraction of 11 and 2 means 2 is subtracting from 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. From 11 we subtract 2 means we cut 2 lines. 1, 2. After cutting 2 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lines are there. It means 11 minus 2 equal to 9. The sounds are 9 right under tens. Under tens. Finally, subtracting on hundreds. Under hundreds, there is only one digit, that is 3. 3 right directly. 391 means 391. 419 minus 28 is equal to 391. Here, under tens, we use borrowing, and answer is 391. This is the answer for D. Now, question E. E. Page number 41. Question E. 3 319 minus 179. 179. It means 179 is subtracting from 319. Here 319 is greater than 179. Then subtraction is exist. Write place values for the digit from number ones, tens, hundreds. Now subtracting on ones. 9 minus 9. 9 is subtracting from 9. Here the digits are same numbers. 9 minus 9, 0. This answer right under 1. 9 minus 9, 0. Now subtracting on tens. The digits are under tens 1 and 7. 1 minus 7. It means 7 is subtracting from 1. But 7 is a greater than 1. We cannot take 7 from 1. Then we use borrow. Borrow means we take 1/10 from beside number. 1. 1 and 1, 11. Borrows means 110 is equal to 10 ones. Borrow means 110 is equal to 10 ones. Already 1 is there. More 10 ones. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1, 11. 11. Now from 3, we taken 110 as borrow. Now 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now subtraction of 11 and 7. 7 is subtracting from 11. Means 11 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. From 11 we subtracting 7. Cut 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After cutting 7 lines from 11 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines are there. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. This answer right under 10. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. Now subtracting on 100. Subtracting on 100. Under 100, the digits are 2 and 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. This answer 1 right under 100. 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 140. 319 minus 179 is equal to 140. This is the answer for E. Now question F1. Now question F1. 593 minus 269. 593 minus 269. Here 593 is greater than 269. 593 is greater than 269. Then subtraction is exist. Now write the place values for digits from a number 1, 10, 100. Now subtracting on ones. The digits under ones 3, 9. 3 minus 9. The digit 9 we cannot take from 3. 9 is bigger than 3. Then we cannot take 9 from 3. Now we use borrow. We need borrow. We take borrow from beside number 1. 13. Borrow means 110 is equal to 10 ones. Already 3 ones are there here. 110 is equal to more 10. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. 13. And from beside number 9, from 9 we taken 1 as borrow. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. This is 8. Now subtracting from 13. 13 is draw 30 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. From 13, we subtract 9. It means we cut 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. This answer right under ones place. Now subtracting on tens. Under 10, the digits are 8 and 6. 8 minus 6. It means 6 is subtracting from 8. The 6 is smaller than 8. There is no problem. There is no need to take borrow. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8, we cut 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After cutting 6 lines from 8, there are 2 lines. 1, 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. This 2 right under 10. Now finally subtracting on hundreds. Hundreds, the digits are 5 and 2. 5 minus 2. From 5, we subtracting 2. The 2 is smaller than 5. Here no need to be taking borrow. There is no use of borrow. Why? 2 is smaller than 5. 5 is bigger, 2 is smaller. then subtraction is exist. 5 means draw 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5, we subtract 2, means we cut 2 lines, 1, 2. After cutting 2 lines from 5 lines, there are 1, 2, 3 lines. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to, answer is 324. 593 minus 269 is equal to 324. This is the answer for F1. Dear students, more problems are there in page number 50 under do this A, B, C, D, E, F. Now I will explain these problems. In our next class, I explain some statement problems. These are under examples. First we solve page number 50. Do these problems. Dear students, all of you open page number 50. Do this. Do this. Gauri has some more problems. Can you solve them? Question A. 482 minus 129. 482 minus 129. Here 482 is greater than 129. As bigger number minus smaller number, then subtraction is exists. Now write place values 1, 10 and 100. Now subtracting on ones. Under ones place, the digits are 2, 9. 2 minus 9. Here 9 is bigger than 2. Then we cannot take 9 from 2. Here subtraction is smaller number minus bigger number. Okay, smaller number minus bigger number. Then this in this time we use borrow. Borrow means we take 110 from beside number. Borrow. Borrow means 110 is equal to 10 ones. Now we got 10 ones. Already 2 ones are there. 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 equal to 12. Means it's 12. And from 10, the digit is 8. From 8, we taken 110 as borrow. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 equal to 7. This is 7. After borrow, 8 becomes 7. Now subtraction of 12 and 9. 12 means 12 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From 12, we subtract 9. 9 means we got 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After cutting 9 lines, there are 1, 2, 3. 3. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. This answer 3 right under 1. Now subtracting on tens. Subtracting on tens. The digits under tens 7 and 2. 7 minus 2. There 2 is smaller than 7. 2 is smaller than 7. It means bigger number minus small number. There is no need use of borrow. 7 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7 we cut 2 lines. 1, 2. After cutting 2 lines from 7 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. This answer 5 right under 10. Now finally subtracting on 100. Subtracting on 100. The digits under 100, 4 and 1. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4 lines, we remove only one line. After removing one line, there are 1, 2, 3 lines. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. This answer 3 right under 100. The answer is 353. 482 minus 129. 482 minus 129 is equal to 353. This is the answer for A. Page number is 50. Now question number B. Question B. 604 minus 289. 604 minus 289. Here 604 is greater than 289. It means bigger number minus smaller number. Then subtraction is exists. Subtraction happens from bigger number to small number. Now write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now subtracting on ones. Subtracting on ones. The digits are under ones place 4 and 9. 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9. It means 9 is subtracting from 4. But 9 is bigger than 4. We cannot take 9 from 4. It is a bigger number. 9 is a bigger number. Bigger number cannot take from smaller number. In that time we use borrow. Borrow from inside number. Here already 0 is there. From 0 we take 110. 110. 110 is equal to 10 ones. 110 is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones. And already 4 ones are there. 10 and 4. 10 plus 4. 14. 10 plus 14. This is 14. 14 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. From 14, we subtract 9. Means we cut 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After cutting 9 lines from 14 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. This answer 5 right under 1. Now subtracting tens. Now subtracting tens. Under tens, the digits are 0 and 8. 0 and 8 means 8 subtracting from 0. But 8 is greater than 0. Means 8 is bigger. 0 is smaller. In this time, we cannot take 8 from 0. Then we need borrow. Here from 0, 110 already we taken 110 from 0. Now we need borrowing one more time from the desired number. Yes. Now this 10 already from here from 10, 110 already we taken for ones. It means 10 minus 1, 9. Now actually this is 10. Already 110 we taken, already we taken 110 or 1, 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. Now subtraction 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8. From 9, 8 is subtracting. 9 means draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9, we have to remove 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. This answer 1 right under 1. Under tens. Under tens. 9 minus 8, 1. In 100, 6 and 2 is there. From 6, 110 we taken already for tens. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 5. This is 5. Now subtraction on hundreds. Subtraction on hundreds. In hundreds, the digits are 5 and 2. 5 and 2. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5, we have to remove 2. 1, 2. After remove 2 lines, there are 1, 2, 3. 3 lines. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. This answer 3 right under hundreds. 315. 604 minus 289 is equal to 315. Here we use 2 borrows, that is from tens place, and one more borrow from ones place. Okay, children, do this type of problems carefully. You get lot of problems without practice. Okay, children. Remaining C, D, E, F problems from page number 50, I will explain in tomorrow's class, along with some example statement problems also there. First we finish C, D, E, F problems from page number 50. After that, I will explain some textbook statement problems. Okay, children, goodbye to everyone.